Welcome to the Civic Laboratory for Environmental Action Research, or CLEAR. This lab is anti-colonial, feminist, and pro-queer. It is a space for anyone no matter their race, gender identity, gender expression, or sexuality. Take me, for example. This is the face of someone who belongs in a lab. Here in the CLEAR Lab space, we focus on community-based monitoring of plastic pollution and wild foodways for Indigenous communities. We collaborate with communities across Newfoundland and Labrador who donate these samples to us for processing. These are our project boxes. Inside them is data we collect from the samples we process here in the lab. In the spirit of community-based and anti-colonial research, all of the data collected is shared with the Indigenous communities we work with before it is made public for others to read. Inside of our freezers is where we store samples awaiting processing. Our fridges are used for the storage of samples that are either still in process or ones awaiting redos from other researchers. So, what happens when we find plastics? Spot processing comes into play. Spotting is a unique process we have here at CLEAR. It's an acronym that stands for Sense-Based Plastic Observation Techniques. In other plastic research labs, you will commonly note that sight is the main sense used for identifying pieces of plastic. In CLEAR, auditory, tactile, and scent cues are used alongside visual indicators to see if the object of interest is in fact a piece of plastic or something organic. We ask questions like, how does it sound when it hits the petri dish? How does the material smell when burned? Does it break easily when pushed on with tweezers? These questions and steps provide more accurate results for data collection. You'll notice that here in the lab, our coats are pink. But why? There's actually a valid reason behind this. Let me explain. Pink is an uncommon color for us to find in regards to plastic in samples. The color of our lab coats helps us better to identify what plastics in a sample could be contamination coming from the lab environment. Looking amazing is just a bonus. Our lab space is communal here at CLEAR, meaning that whatever is in the cupboards or drawers is there for whoever needs it. Processing equipment, stationary items, and masks, they're all here for your convenience. Working in an anti-colonial and community-based environment also helps to push the narrative that science and research is for everyone, not just for white men in white coats. We deeply value the diversity of everyone who joins the CLEAR team from all walks of life, and we hope that our message and what we stand for resonates with any of those who may walk through our doors in the future.